Hey all, welcome to Geeky Iyer, and today we are unboxing the Samsung Tab A7. So this one was bought from Samsung website for around 15,000 rupees, and quickly show you what's on the box. So first off, the tablet itself comes in the small cloth wrapping, and so the tablet is premium. It is mid-size built, and you can see the 5 megapixel front camera. And on the box we get a quick start guide and a warranty card. So on the other side is another small box which has the charger. So let's see whether it's a fast charger. So this seems to be a normal charger, even though the device supports 50 watts fast charging. And we have a USB-C type cable here, so that's good. So if you have any other 15 watt accessories, you can charge your tablet faster. So show you what else is on the box. So we have a pen SIM ejector tool. So I don't have a LTE variant. This is a micro SD card variant, so that will help me to take the card off. And so that's, as you can see, this is 10.4 inches, and the device is pretty lightweight. It's around 458 grams. And just switching it on for the first time. So as you can see, this comes with knock security. So I think that's a very good feature. Samsung is most of the devices doesn't have this at this price range. So you have the Samsung branding, and you have this 8 megapixel camera which is on the back. So I don't know whether you will use it, but still it's there. So that's the USB-C and the dual speakers on the left side with the headphone jack, and we have another 2 speakers on the right. So that's a quad speaker setup, guys. So the device is good, so I will use it and put more reviews. Thanks for watching.